Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be transforming this tank top into 4 wonderful dresses ideas. So let me show you how it's done. Here is one of the after style crisscross alternate dress. This is the second dress, and here is the third from the same tank top, and here is the fourth. I love it too, yeah, I know. And here is the first one, just as a reminder. So we start by using a pen to draw a straight line right underneath the neckline, the front neckline. So once this line is visible, then we'll go ahead and cut it out. These indicated lines are going to be cut out for us to achieve what we're trying to do. As for the back, we need to trace out these highlighted areas. Snip snip, let's get the show on the road. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. The transformation process has just been launched. Cutting out these unwanted parts is just the rebirth of 4 amazing new ideas to slay this tank top. If you look closely, you observe that I didn't cut the sleeves. I left them the way it was. I just cut right underneath it. Here is the back view of the dress. So I'm going to start cutting right from the same length as the front. So this we're going to do carefully, and then stop there, and I start from the sleeve area right underneath the sleeve, so we won't mess that up. If you are still watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you are an old subscriber, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to comment, like, and then share this video. Yes, you need to ensure that the cutting is not rough around the edges, that it's smooth and well cut out. This is what the dress looks like after.